In this video I'm going to show you how to reassemble your Zen Micro. First step is to connect the circuit board and the hard drive back together. Carefully align the pins into the hard drive holes, just like that. And then put it back into the metal frame. And don't push too hard because the hard drive is very sensitive and it can break if you press too hard. It just pops right back into place. And then connect the flex cable back onto the motherboard like that. And make sure that your two cables connect here, because if they don't, you won't get anything on your screen. It just pops into place just like that. And now we put the metal back plate back on. It just snaps on. Push it into the down position. And now we need to put the daughter board back on. I use a pair of pliers to place the screws because my fingers are too fat. So you might need a pair of pliers as well if your fingers are fat. You can get the pliers anywhere. Pretty common item. Yeah, screws are stubborn little things. And just screw right back in there. And now we are ready to place the white backing cover back on. Now here's a little trick. Sometimes when you place it back on, it won't pop on all the way. And that's because these 4 tabs here sometimes are smashed down. So what you'll need to do is make sure that they're pulled back up and they aren't smashed down. Okay, once they're all up, then simply pop it back on there and it'll snap into place, and then push the metal backing part back up. Put the battery in there and the battery cover. And the final step, place the screws back in. My favorite part, putting the screws back in. Love the tiny screws. Very stubborn little things. Really, it's just the fact that I have fat fingers, that's why I don't like them. And there you go.